Looking for the best trampolines to turn your backyard into the ultimate fun zone? Whether you're shopping for safe playtime, serious bouncing, or gymnastics-level flips, we've got the top picks that combine safety, durability, and excitement. From springless designs to pro-level rectangles, these trampolines are built for families who want more than just a bounce. Stay tuned as we dive into the best trampolines for every age, skill level, and backyard size. The Zupapa trampoline is a standout pick. With its no-gap design, this trampoline eliminates the classic spring hazard by tightly stitching the mat and padding together, so no tiny toes or fingers slip through. It's an ideal choice for families with playful kids or energetic teens. Built with hot-dip galvanized steel and a 1,500-pound static weight capacity, this trampoline doesn't just bounce, it stands its ground, even in stormy weather. The extra springs, 12 more than standard designs, mean the bounce is noticeably more responsive and thrilling, while the 6-foot-high safety enclosure and foam-padded poles create a protective cocoon for every jumper. Parents will love the 10-year frame warranty and 2-year coverage on all other components, giving added reassurance for long-term use. Whether you're buying for toddlers or teens, the Zupapa trampoline delivers big backyard entertainment with a serious focus on safety. If outdoor fun is on your checklist this season, this is the trampoline that'll have everyone jumping, literally and figuratively, for joy. The JUMPZYLLA's outdoor trampoline brings fun, function, and futuristic design right to your backyard. Built for both kids and adults, this trampoline combines sleek aesthetics with serious safety, thanks to ASTM-approved curved poles that reduce impact risks and a sturdy anti-rust frame that's built to last through all seasons. What truly sets JUMPZYLLA apart is its patented double-sided spring pad. Flip between classic black and a vibrant color of your choice for a fresh look anytime. It's like owning 2 trampolines in one. Installation is refreshingly quick thanks to a smartly designed setup system and clear instructions, so the kids won't be stuck waiting while you fumble with tools. From toddlers to teens, the waterproof padding, plastic-coated ladder, and galvanized frame promise years of bouncing fun. And with a focus on long-lasting durability, this trampoline doesn't just entertain, it elevates your backyard. Whether you're upgrading family playtime or hosting neighborhood jump fests, the JUMPZYLLA Super Trampoline delivers innovation, peace of mind, and non-stop action in one bold, stylish package. Safe, sturdy, seriously fun. The ACON X 17-feet rectangular trampoline is in a league of its own. Designed with elite performance and safety in mind, this trampoline doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. Engineered for stability and power, the ACON X features 118 high-performance springs and a zero-gap safety enclosure that ensures no accidental slips or dangerous landings. The rectangular shape delivers a consistent, controlled bounce, making it perfect for advanced tricks, flips, and routines. It even comes with customizable spring and mat configurations, so you can fine-tune your bounce just the way you like it. Parents will appreciate the thick safety padding, flexible enclosure poles, and sturdy frame with no sway, while kids and adults will love the extras, like the adjustable ladder, ground anchors, and even optional accessories like a trampoline hoop or soccer goal. This isn't just a trampoline, it's a professional-grade training and play platform that grows with your skills. Backed by a 10-year warranty and stellar customer support, the ACON X is an investment in both fun and excellence. For families who bounce beyond the basics, this is it. The Springfree Square Backyard Trampoline. Designed with a completely springless system, this trampoline removes all the common pinch points and sharp edges that traditional trampolines suffer from. The result? A smoother, safer bounce that both kids and adults will love. With a spacious 113-square-foot jump surface, it's ideal for tumbling, gymnastics, or just some high-energy play. It delivers the same bouncing area as a typical 13-foot round trampoline, but with a modern square footprint that fits neatly in most yards. The hidden frame stays completely out of reach, reducing injury risks and keeping the design sleek and smart. The flexible safety enclosure net adds a full circle of protection, gently guiding jumpers back to the center with every leap. Plus, it's built to last. Weather-resistant materials and a standout 10-year warranty on all parts make this trampoline a long-term investment in active, outdoor fun. From fitness routines to friendly games, the Springfree Square Trampoline is more than just a toy. It's a secure, durable hub for movement, energy, and unforgettable memories. The Upper Bounce Rectangle Trampoline is built for families who want space, safety, and sky-high excitement. With its premium top-ring enclosure system and fiberglass rod support, jumpers can bounce higher and flip bigger, making it a favorite for aspiring gymnasts and thrill-seeking kids alike. What sets this trampoline apart is its bonus basketball hoop, included right out of the box. Whether attached inside or outside the enclosure, it transforms your trampoline into a multi-sport playground. Add in the included ball and pump, and you've got slam dunk fun. Literally. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Foam-wrapped poles, no-gap spring coverage, and a zippered safety net provide peace of mind for parents. Built with a rust-resistant, ASTM-approved steel frame and durable high-tension springs, this trampoline is designed to handle serious action, supporting up to 500 pounds with ease. From professional-level flips to casual jumps and basketball games, the Upper Bounce Rectangle Trampoline is your family's all-in-one hub for outdoor adventure. Spacious, sturdy, and packed with extras, it's not just a trampoline, it's the ultimate backyard upgrade.